let's review on how to do an overhand knot. So all you're just gonna do is that your strand is gonna come down towards you, and you're gonna take the other strand and you're going to cross it over like so. So it almost looks like the letter E. Now you're going to take this strand and come up through the middle of this. So just lift this up nicely and insert the strand through and bring it out towards the top of the other one, just like you see. And then when you're ready, just pull on it. So let me get that set up and show you one more time. So you're gonna lay it down and you'll keep it in front, and that's over top of this strand, and then you're just gonna take this strand, just lift this up and come up through the middle, and then when you're ready you can just secure it like this. This is an overhand knot.